Hi guys, welcome to Gbpchf, and if you're new here guys, remember to like and to subscribe to our channel. All right, so we're back again here with market analysis from us to you from what we can see. And today, as usual, we'll be going through some three pairs: Euro AUD, Gbpchf, and Eurjpy. So guys, remember to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. So let's start with Euro AUD. So Euro AUD, I'm on a monthly time frame, and from the monthly time frame I can already see some sort of support here, right? And you can see that this supported this market to the up, then came back again, was support, and then now it's here, right? Then you can see that there was a very strong fake out all the way to this level here, right? So let me go to the weekly time frame, and from the weekly time frame you can see that we can draw some zones from here. Because I see this level here. Okay, I see that level there, and the reason why I see that is because I see rejection here and here and here and here and here. There's some sort of consolidation and a breakout all the way up here, then consolidation, and then break to the down to the trend line. Now the market is on the level, right? So if it's able to break up, then you'll see that you'll be looking for buying opportunities. If it's not able to break, then there's some selling opportunities back to the trend line. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, we can still draw another trend line like that. Let me change this color to white, so at least it can be able to help us. All right, or maybe let's just remove this. And the reason why I've removed that is because this market is on the zone, all right? So this could be a fake out. So I'll just wait patiently to see if it's not able to break well. If it's not able to break, then I see that I have some selling opportunities all the way here. Now, if I draw back the trend line that I had drawn before, this trend line here, you see that every time the market reached this level, it was pushed to the up, reached this level, pushed up, push up. So you see that you can get some selling opportunities, because the market could come all the way to this and then go back again up, right? So if I'm entering my sell here, then I will target this particular level here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, from the 4-hour time frame, let me go back to the 1-hour time frame and see something. If you can be able to draw, let me see if I can be able to clone this and perhaps cater for the area with the most touches like that. Okay, like that, right? Because this market was really consolidating. I'm trying to cater for the area with the most touches. Yeah, support here and then resistance. The market was really consolidating, or you can even take it to that level there, then say that if it comes and breaks back to this trend line, then we'll be looking for this. And you see these are almost 300 pips. So as I'm saying that I'll patiently wait for it. I'm actually on a daily time frame. You can see this market was playing in here, but this time around there was some the market was able to break, and now it's moving back. So they're selling. As long as I am below this weekly zone here, then I'll be looking for selling opportunities. All right, but if it comes and finds support here, then it's going back, then we'll be looking for buying opportunities. Guys, let us know what you think of Euro AUD. Okay, let's go to Gbpchf. Gbpchf, and as usual, we'll start from a monthly time frame. Okay, Gbpchf. So from what I'm seeing here, Gbpchf is really on a bearish movement. Okay, so you see that Gbpchf has really been bearish. Okay, if I draw my trend line there, I see that every time it reaches here, it is pushed to the down, it's pushed to the down. Then this has been the lowest area here, so we can draw here. Even though here it was able to come, there was some sort of like a fake out. Okay, right, from the weekly time frame, what do you see? The weekly time frame, you see that forming some sort of like a flag here. See here, it's forming some sort of like a flag. Okay, it looks like an impulse move, correction, then maybe perhaps might do an impulse move, but we don't know yet. Okay, so let's go further down. Okay, some sort of like consolidation here, but also I see a level here. Okay, let me go to the daily time frame and see. I'm very much interested at what is currently happening, which is this one here, and so you can see that this is it's like some sort of consolidating here. All right, so you see that there's some opportunity, some buying opportunity all the way to this level here, right? Some buying opportunity. Okay, and I'm on a daily time frame, so you can easily draw this because I've seen this place here. I'm seeing this level here, and you can see that it was support. There was fake out, so there was rejection, and there was support to the up. So this level was broken and acted as support to this level here. Then the market was able to break this zone here. Then now it was acting as a resistance, all the way here. So I can still draw another level here, or maybe perhaps and draw another trend line there like this. And the reason, and maybe this trend line can act as like some sort of like a zone here, because I've catered for the week, right? I've also catered for the body, right? And from what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing some buying opportunities, so I'll enter my buy there. I'll put my stop loss just below the zone, then I'll target this level here, which is target 3 times like that. Okay, yeah, target these times. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that it has come, the market has come all the way and consolidated on this zone here, and then you see that there's still some buying opportunity, because this level, every time the market reaches to this level, it reverses back. So if I go back to the daily time frame, you can see that every time the market reaches to this level, then it goes back, right? So these are very clear, straightforward for me. So I'll just enter here, then I'll just put my stop loss just below, then I'll target 3 times. Okay, I'll target 3 times that level over there. So in case the market comes back down and breaks and continues going down, then it means that my setup is considered invalid. Okay, so the last one is Eurjpy. Okay, so I'll go back to the monthly time frame as usual. Try to see the general direction of the market. Okay, so guys, I try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, simple as possible, just simple price action. And then you can see that this was the highest level and this was the lowest level on Eurjpy. And also I can draw your trend, I can draw my trend line this way, I can draw my trend line that way, because I see a support here and some sort of support here, and then yeah. So let me go to the weekly time frame and see if there's something I can see from the weekly time frame. Yeah, the weekly time frame, I see that this level, when the market came all the way from here, let's draw this. The market, you can draw this a lot. And the market came all the way from this level here, it came to reverse at this particular point here. You can see this level has acted as a reversal point again, because you see this. Okay, you see, and even if I extend this one here, you see that the market broke this level, found support, then here it was rejected, some consolidation, and moves all the way to the trend line, came with momentum to break and find support, and moved up to this level here. Then, and you can see that this level has acted also. If I go back into history, see this level has acted as a support, and now it's acting as a resistance, and came and found it was broke and retest, did a retest, came back to be supported. Now it's here, has been pushed again to the down. Then you can see that it has come all the way here, and now it's moving to the down. So perhaps on the weekly time frame, it might come all the way to this level before it goes back to that level over there, right? So let's go to the daily time frame and see if you can see some sort of confirmation or something that can help us to enter the market. Okay, so I see something here, I see something over here. Let me just zoom this, then you can see that this market, you can see here, and draw my trend line, my zone like that. And it's because the market came, got some little rejection, was able to break and found support. So this the level has been able to support up to there, came again, found support, and found support to push all the way up to this particular level over here, and now it has come down here. So then it's trying to push market. So this level has been able to support this market 1, 2, 3 times, and now it is here. So from the daily time frame, I'll simply enter my buy. I'll put my stop loss just somewhere around here, maybe below this second one here. Then I'll just target 2 times like that. Okay, target 2. So in case it's not able to support and it breaks this way and continue going down, perhaps to this level here, then my setup is considered invalid. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, let me see if there's anything on the 4-hour time frame for me to be able to see. So from the 4-hour time frame, you can see that if I draw a trend line this way, excuse me, let me draw a trend line. See that, draw a trend line that way. Okay, and the reason why I've drawn my trend line that way is because I've seen that the market was pushed it down, came again, was pushed it down, and now it has come again. So there is a possibility for it to come all the way to here before it comes down to here, or another possibility is for it to come this way before it goes that way, or it will easily come and break and continue going down. So that's Eurjpy. So guys, let us know on the comment section what you think, your views from what you think from these 3 pairs, what you will do or what you are doing, and I will be so happy to hear from you guys. So thank you so much for watching all through. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to share. Remember to show some love. Keep safe. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.